Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today we were back in Albany, and we were on Morton Ave. So we decided to get some footage on this street for the most part. So last time we were here, it was during the winter time, and we went the opposite way. And it was also a combination of another video. We'll have a tag above, so you guys, if you wanted to watch that, you could. But this is Morton Ave. It's right off Delaware Ave for the most part. I think it's right next to, don't quote me, but I think it's next to Lincoln Park. Like I said, beautiful little area. I love it. And I used to hang out here all the time around the area. But what I will say, if you're not familiar with the area, definitely make sure you drive through there before you just start walking through. And like I said, we're not trying to offend anybody that lives in the area or lives on this street. But like I said, I seen tons and tons of riffraff going on around here. So like I said, it is what it is. So just make sure you do your research and drive through here before you just start walking through. But other than that, like I said, I think this area is beautiful. And hopefully you guys enjoy it, and we will see you on the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Peace.